5. A heroine of the sea. Now I read the passage. Around the rocky coast of England stand many lonely lighthouses, their lights shining across the sea, warn sailors at night of dangerous rocks. When they see the lights, sailors take their ships far out to sea. But sometimes fierce storms drive ships onto the rocks. This is the story of a brave girl and a shipwreck on the rocks one night in 1838. Grace Darling was the daughter of a lighthouse keeper. She had lived all her life in lonely lighthouses far away from towns and cities. There was not even a village near their home. Their nearest neighbors were many miles away, but Grace's father was a wise and educated man who brought up his children very carefully. Grace and her brothers and sisters were all taught to read and write. Their father also taught them to be honest and brave and unselfish. When Grace was 10 years old, the family went to live in Longster House. Their new home was on some wild islands near the east coast of England. The Darling children grew up there. When they were older, they left their lonely home by one and found work in the cities. At last, all of them had left the lighthouse except Grace, who stayed at home to help her mother and father. She had not grown very tall. She was only a little one, not all like her father, who was more than 6 feet tall. On, on the night of September 6th, 1838, a terrible storm was blowing. Grace was used to storm herself, was warm and safe in the big lighthouse, but she was always unhappy about the poor sailors who were at sea in the storm. She did not know that a terrible thing was happening that night. That night, a ship was wrecked upon the rocks. Grace and her parents did not hear the sound of the crash. The noise of the wind and the waves was too loud. They could not hear anything else, but a ship called the Phosphor had hit rocks a mile away from the lighthouse. Most of the passengers were drowned, but 9 men and women were able to climb on a rock. The wind nearly blew them into the sea as they clung to the bare rock. In the distance, they saw the warm light of the house, but of course, their shouts and screams were not heard. All night they clung there in the storm. So, she listen explanation. There is a story of a girl who the situation was very dangerous at night of dangerous rocks, and the sailor take their ships far out of to sea. But there is a fierce, dangerous, aggressive, violent or aggressive storms drive ships on the rocks. So this is the story of in a dangerous situation. Grace Darling was a daughter of a lighthouse keeper, and there is the information about the lighthouse there, where their house there is no nearest neighbors, and in this way Grace and his brother and sister, their parents taught them how to read, how to write, all these things, and so their father also taught them to be honest and brave and unselfish. Now Grace was 10 years old and the family went to live in Longston Lighthouse. At that time, the other children were growing up and Grace also growing, but she stayed at home to help her mother and father, and all other children go in the cities. Then there is a incident happened on September 6th, 1838. A terrible storm was blowing, and in this storm, Grace herself was armed and safe in a big lighthouse, but she was always unhappy about the poor sailors who were at the sea in the storm. So this is, and at that time she did not know that the terrible thing was happening that night. At that night, Grace and her parents did not hear the sound of the crash, but the noise of the wind and the waves were too loud. And in this way, in this situation, most of the passengers were drowned in the sea. But 9 men and women were able to climb onto a rock, and the wind nearly blew them into the sea. This, in the distance, they saw the lighthouse, but of course their shouts and screams were not heard, and all the night they clung attached oneself there in the storm. So we stop here.